Welcome to video number 2 of the Avoid Being Audited mini course. Know the red flags. I'm Christopher Anderson, co-founder of Avoid Being Audited and owner of Solence Tax and Accounting. Today, I'm going to talk to you about something that I have helped thousands of people with, and that is identifying things the IRS considers red flags. First, let me explain what I mean by red flags. In this context, a red flag is anything that will cause the IRS to pull your tax return and audit you. So, like a red flag blowing in the wind catches your attention, there are certain things the IRS looks for on tax returns that stick out and are obviously an error they want to correct. You can bet that they are all things that will result in you owing more money. It is important to know what these red flags are, so you can avoid them and thus avoid being audited, fined, and charged more tax by the IRS. All right, let me give you a brief list of common red flags for personal tax returns. Then I'll give you a list for business tax returns. And we will end with a list of things people often think are red flags, but really they are not. So, let's start with common red flags for personal returns. Number 1. Not reporting income that has been reported to the IRS. Number 2, high itemized deductions for income. For example, paying more mortgage interest than your income. Number 3, excessive employee business expenses. And number 4, failure to report a foreign bank account. Okay, there are some common red flags the IRS looks for on business returns. Number 1, excessive meals and entertainment expense. Number 2, miscellaneous or other expenses. Number 3, expenses that are not common to the type of business you have. For example, deducting uniforms for an internet sales business or deducting expenses for a dog for a jewelry business. Number 4, deducting contract labor without filing 1099 miscellaneous forms. Number 5, rounding numbers. Most expenses are not $500 or $30. They are usually $536 or $32. And number 6, constant business losses. All right, moving forward. There are a lot of deductions and or financial situations that people think are red flags, but really they are not. So here is a list of some of these things. Number 1, a home office. Number 2, vehicle or mileage expense. Number 3, being self-employed. Number 4, incorporating your business. Number 5, employing family members. Number 6, donations, cash or non-cash. And number 7, drastic changes in income. To give you an example of how these things aren't really red flags, let's take a closer look at the home office deduction. A home office is a legitimate and common tax deduction. If you have a business that you only operate out of your home, then you can use any space, even a closet, as your office. If you have a storefront, but you also have a home office, it needs to be a room solely dedicated to business. The percent of expenses are figured by comparing the square footage of the office space and the whole house. As long as you are deducting a true and reasonable space and normal amounts for interest, taxes, insurance, and utilities, there is no reason for an audit. In fact, my partner, Kathy Anderson, has been doing taxes for over 30 years and has never seen anyone audited because of a home office. Now that you know all this, we should tell you that red flags aren't the same every year. There may be some common ones that will stay the same, but there are a lot that change with the ever-changing tax laws. So what do? You have to learn how to keep good records and learn how to defend your tax deductions. Make sure you check out our next video where we will give you crucial information about how the IRS works. You don't want to miss it. Also, we have been pretty brief here about the red flags and deductions. If you want a more in-depth explanation, check out our 12-CD set, Tax Secrets Revealed, where we go into a lot more detail about red flags and deductions and how to make sure you aren't creating red flags. We also teach you everything you need to know about defending yourself in an audit. Click on Buy Now or Learn More to take advantage of this amazing CD set.